Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to buy Deepseek stock. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepseek website right here at deepseek.com. If you're not already, and after opening it up, you can get started with registering for an account. So once you have set up everything with Deepseek and you're familiar with the project, you have gotten your account and you want to get into the stock, this is what you can do. You'll be able to use any brokerage app that allows you to buy Deepseek, but keep in mind that Deepseek is still not public. It's a private sale, so not everybody will be able to get into it. As you can see right here on this official website right here of fool.com, we have the step-by-step on how to invest in Deepseek pre-IPO. So basically guys, it's going to enable you to follow the steps right here and use a brokerage app that's going to enable you to buy into. So basically, as you can see, open up your brokerage app, search for the stocks such as Deepseek and decide how many shares to buy. But as I already said guys, it's not public. This is currently a pre-sale, a private sale, so not everybody can get into it, and you will probably will not be able to get into it until it goes public, so keep that in mind. But if you want, you can go ahead and search some brokerage apps. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.